So here we are outside the Riu, one of the largest hotels on the Palm Beach, which is the beach with all the high-rise hotels. I'm about to get run over. Oh, very nice man to let me pass. So lovely warm day today again. We're going to be going into the Palm Beach area and do some shopping, maybe have some lunch in a bar, and then we're going to walk back on the beach all the way down Palm Beach to Eagle Beach, pick up our bus that will take us back to our resort. And here it is, the Riu Palace Suruba. Next to it over there is the Hilton. So not as big, but it's still on the high-rise area of Palm Beach. Electric scooters dotted around everywhere, which is great to see. You may try them out at some point. Bicycles for hire. So it's so easy to get around. We just got the big yellow bus that goes all the way along the coastal road connecting Arangastad to Arashi Beach. This is the De Palm Pier entrance. This is where we went to pick up our snorkeling catamaran trip yesterday. It's a really good trip. Down there is the pier on the beach, but we're going to go do some shopping first. So before we get to the background music, which I'll have to cut out because of copyright purposes, coming up to the restaurants and the bars. So the music's died down in the background. We're at the end of the sort of shop and bar area, but over straight ahead of us you may be able to see the golden arches of McDonald's. Over there it is. So McDonald's there, and then over there you have Wendy's, KFC. I think there's Domino's over there as well. So lots of home comforts. We did pledge when we came away that we wouldn't eat any of the fast foods that we get at home, so we're not going to. But yeah, big sort of retail park looking area. Yeah, Domino's, KFC, Wendy's over there in the distance, and we're right next to McDonald's drive-through. We're going to head back now and make our way down to Palm Beach itself, walk along the sand, and we'll do a walk along the whole beach hopefully. So we were about to hit the beach and then this happened. So we're going to give it about 10-15 minutes, hopefully it'll just pass over and then we can enjoy the rest of the day. Bit of lightning, lots of thunder. It doesn't rain for too long in Aruba and then it gets amazingly hot again.